Hi, I'm Kritika and I am from Delhi. I did my schooling from Delhi and pursued my career in language. So I have done my master's in Mandarin Chinese. After that, I thought of giving a boost to my career. That's why I chose BHM, as it will open many doors for me in my language sector, and it has opened in some way. WCC was my first preference because WCC was providing a degree course within the same time limit where other colleges are providing diploma course. The courses that I'm studying right now, I'm finding it very much easy, I can say. It's not that difficult as I'm a lot into more history. So I am doing history and professors are putting their 100% efforts in making us understand what BHM is basically. So I'm really enjoying. That this course doesn't require any prior background, any knowledge. People from science background, from arts background, from accounting background can join in here. Yeah. It doesn't require any prior knowledge as they are teaching everything from the basics in here. Our orientation, they introduced us to their different teams who can help us overcome any kind of difficulties, whether job related, emotional, mentally. They are ready to help us in every sphere. So the biggest difference that I noticed after coming here was cultural shock, as I said. And also I was a bit on the emotional and the attachment from family. So that took a huge load on my mental health. So I'm coping up with that for now. I don't know that how it's gonna work after some months or year, I don't know. And the efforts that college is making job fairs. So one is also coming in next week, I guess. So I'm gonna sit for that as well. I can say that college is supporting us in every way possible to overcome all the things that is required to be here in a new place. So I'm getting job offers. It's not like that where I'm not getting anything. Some of my friends get a job within a day or two after landing in Canada. So it's not that hard. It's just aggressive searching, I can say. On the day that I paid my fees, the tuition fees, I was given a straight 20 to 30% discount on that. So if you're going for a degree course, then why not do a degree course in affordable prices rather than paying double prices and doing the same thing. So I would recommend WCC anytime to anyone.